Have you just come across Binance and want to start using it? Binance is one of the largest platforms for cryptocurrency trading, and it can offer you a great experience when making trades. But to make that possible, you must know how to trade Binance, which may be a bit challenging when it's your first time using this app. To make things easier for you, keep on reading our guide on trading Binance. What is Binance? Binance was founded by Changping Zhao and Yi He in China in 2017. Both of the creators were working at the Coin Exchange for a while, and then they thought it would be better to build their own exchange platform. The platform is a crypto-to-crypto exchange one, so this means it can only be used in order to trade cryptocurrencies and virtual tokens. More than 500 of them are available, with some of the trading options being Litecoin, Ether, Dogecoin and, of course, Bitcoin. Binance Coin explained. Binance has its own token too, known as Binance Coin, or BNB. The first coin offering of the BNB in the exchange managed to raise funds of about $15 million in 2017. Individuals that use BNB in order to pay their trading fees could get discounts as well. Many companies use the ICO, aka initial coin offering, in order to raise money. This is because this method is very easy and it allows crypto businesses to raise funds without having to go through very difficult processes or methods such as bonds or stocks. Can Binance be traded? You can trade with Binance using your cryptocurrencies or tokens. When you first join Binance and start using it, you will have to buy your first Bitcoin or BNB. Binance can be traded, especially if you make sure to buy Binance Coin. But in order to do so, you will have to go through a series of steps. How to trade on Binance? In order to trade on Binance, there are several steps that you have to go through. Open your account. Fund your account. Start trading. Read on to learn about each of these steps. Open your account. As mentioned, you need to open an account if you want to trade with Binance. Go to the main page of the Binance platform and click on Register. Then, you will be sent to the proper registration page, where you will first have to give an email address and set up a password. The email address must be a valid one that you use regularly. As for the password, you should set up a secure one, like a combination of numbers, letters, and symbols. Rates and terms. Next, you will have to review the terms of use from Binance and agree to them, after which you can click on Register. CAPTCHA. You will have to prove that you are a human and not a robot. This will require completing a puzzle, which is not hard. After that, an email will be sent to your inbox. Click on Verify Email and your registration is complete. You have an account on Binance and can start trading. But there is one more thing you should do before actually trading, respectively ensuring your account is secure. That means you should set up a 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your account by ensuring nobody else will get to access your funds and spend them for their personal fulfillment. Fund your account. Now that your account is opened and is secured, you can fund it. Let's use Ethereum as an example for the funding process. Log in. Log into your account and click on Accounts. Then, choose the option Send on ETF Wallet. Enter a recipient after that, as it will be the individual getting the Ethereum amount. You must have an Ethereum address on your Binance account since you send the amount to Binance. Deposit funds. Then, log into your Binance account and click on Funds, then Deposits. Enter the cryptocurrency you need the address for. If Ethereum is the option you choose, Binance will make sure an address is generated in order to transfer the amount. Your Ethereum funds will then be sent to the ETH deposit address. This means that it should be copied and pasted into the recipient box of the Coinbase account in order to make the money deposit possible. Next, select the amount you want to send to your account in Binance, after which you can click on Send. As soon as the Ethereum network is done processing the funds, they will appear in your Binance account. Start trading. Now it's time to actually start trading. Move the cursor over Trade and then click on Basic or Advanced. This will show you all the current market details. In order to sell BNB for BTC at the present Bitcoin price, you have to pick BTC in the right panel. Then, click BNB/BTC and you will see the corresponding trading page. Keep scrolling down until you see a Buy BNB and Sell BNB option. You use the Sell Coin option to sell BNB. Enter the amount you want to sell. Click the Sell BNB bar afterward. You will see a Limit Sell Order Created pop up immediately. Scroll down to the Open Orders section afterward to see the Limit Sell Order. Wait for the open order to complete, and once it happens, your trade will be completed. Advantages of trading Binance. Trading Binance comes with many benefits, such as it has a touchscreen interface that looks very nice. It is very safe and secure. Supports 1,500 cryptocurrencies. It can be set up very quickly. Can be accessed on mobile. Has a lot of protection against physical damage. How to use Binance for any basic trade. Here is how to use Binance for any basic trade. Log into your Binance account. Click on Exchange and pick Basic on the taskbar. Pick a trading pair, as there is a lot to choose from. If you only see Ethereum in the funds, then Ethereum is the only one you can deal with. Choose the type of trade you want to make, like limit orders, stop limit orders, or market orders. Choose the amount you want to trade. Binance trading fees. You will have to deal with fees if you want to trade on Binance. Luckily, they are some of the lowest on the market. No deposit fees apply. Meanwhile, there are some withdrawal fees. Ethereum withdrawals will cost 0.01 ETH in fees, for instance. The fees will depend on the currency. Binance withdrawal fees. Since you are doing a network transaction when withdrawing crypto from your account with Binance, you will deal with some fees. The fees are meant to cover the network transaction cost. Certain currencies, such as Ether or BNB, need Binance to be able to be sent to another crypto wallet. Therefore, there will be a gas fee when you do any transaction on Binance Chain, Binance Smart Chain, or Ethereum. The fee is paid to miners. The cost of the transaction fee will be passed on to the user by Binance. Keep in mind that there are different fee schedules for every blockchain. Because of that, the fees for crypto withdrawals will depend on the particular coin that you are using. Also, it is likely for fees to change, as they are dynamic and depend a lot on the network activity. You will have to go to the actual withdrawal page in order to find the accurate withdrawal fees. Minimum withdrawal amount. There is a minimum withdrawal amount for Binance. Every cryptocurrency has its own withdrawal amount. That being said, you will be unable to withdraw a smaller amount than the one stated on the withdrawal page. If you want to find out the minimum amounts of every currency, you can check them out on the Binance website. There is a list of every minimum amount and the respective withdrawal fee. How long does it take to withdraw from Binance? Withdrawing from Binance may take a bit. This isn't because Binance is slow or anything. In fact, the platform will deal with the processing of the withdrawal as soon as you make the request. However, every blockchain is different, so the amount of time required for completing the transactions may vary. For example, Binance Smart Chain may complete transactions in only a few minutes. Bitcoin, on the other hand, will take from about 10 minutes to 30 minutes to be able to mark a withdrawal as successful. Ethereum may take even longer than these two. So, it really depends on the blockchain. Also, if a network has very high traffic, this will affect the amount of time you have to wait. The higher the traffic, the more your waiting time expands. Sometimes, withdrawals may end up being stuck in processing, and that is because the blockchain has to confirm the transaction first. In other situations, it may be congested. There are specific blockchains that require more network confirmations compared to others.
FTX offers perpetual futures contracts, leveraged tokens, move contracts, and OTC trading. The team behind the exchange, Alameda Research, is one of the largest market makers in the crypto sphere. They have experience managing over $100 million in digital assets and trade between $600 to $1.5 billion per day across thousands of products. Recognizing that there are many flaws holding the space back, the team developed FTX with the mission to provide a platform powerful enough for professional trading firms and intuitive enough for first-time users. FTX was the first in the crypto market to introduce index futures. FTX recently announced their strategic partnership with Binance, their first and only outside investor. FTX has partnered with Binance to provide liquidity across their entire product suite, including Binance.com, Binance OTC, and Binance.us. This underscores their efforts to continue to work together on the Binance and FTX markets, which are already the world's most liquid spot exchange and the world's most liquid derivatives exchange. About the team. FTX's team has years of experience working in Wall Street quant funds and tech companies including Jane Street Capital, Optiver, Susquehanna, Facebook, and Google. The team is distributed with employees all over the globe. FTX, together with Alameda Research, has pledged to donate a substantial fraction of its earnings to the world's most effective charities. Sam Bankman-Fried, CEO. A physics graduate from MIT, Sam was a trader on Jane Street Capital's international ETF desk. He traded a variety of ETFs, futures, currencies, and equities, and designed their automated OTC trading system. Sam left Jane Street Capital in late 2017 to start Alameda Research. After trading on dozens of exchanges and identifying multiple issues, he decided to start FTX in early 2019. Gary Wang, CTO. Prior to co-founding Alameda and FTX, Gary was a software engineer at Google where he built systems to aggregate prices across millions of flights, decreasing latency and memory usage by 50%. He is a mathematics with computer science graduate from MIT. Gary took charge in writing the first trading systems for Alameda and then shifted to the FTX side and took the lead on building out the exchange product. Unique offerings. Though relatively new, FTX's unique products have helped spur its rapid growth. Futures. FTX has quarterly and perpetual futures on 29 different cryptocurrencies. These include major cryptocurrencies such as BTC, ETH, ATC, BCH, BSV, USDT, BNB, and LEO. Liquidation engine. FTX's unique liquidation engine and backstop liquidity provider system provide a three-step solution to handle margin calls and preventing clawbacks. Visit here for more information. Liquidation engine. Centralized collateral wallet. Unlike other derivative exchanges, FTX offers a centralized collateral wallet, makes trading on their platform simple and efficient. Index futures. First in the market, FTX allows you to trade entire sectors of the cryptocurrency ecosystem from large-cap coins to exchange tokens to regional baskets. Leveraged tokens. FTX's leveraged tokens free you from micromanaging your collateral or risk. They are ERC20 tokens that have leveraged exposure to crypto, 3x and 10x long positions as well as 1x, 3x and 10x short positions. Their bull and bear leverage tokens automatically manage their exposure, rebalancing to maintain their target leverage and prevent liquidations. As they ERC20 tokens, you can withdraw them from the platform and trade them. Move. FTX's industry-first move contracts are futures that expire to the raw amount BTC moves in a time period. This allows users to trade on the amount BTC is going to move without having to know the direction. FTT is the FTX ecosystem's utility token. Holders of FTT receive numerous benefits, including weekly buying and burning of fees, lower FTX trading fees, OTC rebates, collateral for futures trading, socialized gains from the ins, insurance fund. We will take a more in-depth look at the FTX's leverage tokens, Move and FTT token in parts 2 and 3 of this series. Getting started accessing. FTX is easy. You can access the platform from your computer browser or mobile phone using their iOS or Android app. In this guide, we'll be sharing with you how to set up your account using your computer. As with all transactions, we recommended that you use incognito mode on your browser of choice for the best performance. Setting up an FTX account image. Click Register and key in your email and password. It's that simple. Set up two-factor authentication. Once you've signed up, you will be promoted to set up a two-factor authorization. FTX allows you to use either Authy, Google Authenticator, or SMS. Know your customer, KYC, requirements. FTX is beginner-friendly as it does not require KYC verification to get started. Without KYC, you can withdraw up to $1,000. With basic Tier 1 KYC, email, name and country of residence and region/province, you can withdraw up to $2,000 per day. Should you plan on trading more, we recommend that you complete Tier 2 KYC verification for unlimited crypto withdrawals. The following are the KYC forms. Tier 1 KYC form, $2,000 per day withdrawal, image. Tier 2 KYC form, unlimited crypto withdrawals. Note, FTX engages Chainalysis to monitor suspicious cryptocurrency transactions. All deposits and withdrawals are subject to inspection using Chainalysis, and FTX reserves the right to request additional information. Platform overview. FTX's interface is similar to other trading platforms, but with additional features catered to derivative traders. 1. Cryptocurrency Selector. When you scroll over a particular cryptocurrency, you'll be able to select the various futures, move contracts, spot or token products related to it. 2. Candlestick Chart. The Candlestick Chart depicts the price movements of the trading pair, showing how far and the direction the price of an asset is moved during a specific time period. Each candlestick shows 1 day. To learn more, here's our recommended reference, Introduction to Candlesticks. 3. Crypto and Wallet Info. This section shares relevant information depending on which asset you're interested in trading. When you select a perpetual, move or futures product, you will be provide an option to select the max account leverage ranging from 1x to 101x. 4. Order book. An order book refers to the list of open orders arranged at different prices. This also refers to the market depth, which can give you a sense of the market's liquidity, i.e., how much can you buy before your orders start affecting the market price of the asset. 5. Place order. FTX allows you to execute 6 types of orders. Limit order, an order to buy/sell at a specific price. Market order, an order to buy/sell at market price. Stop market order, an order to execute market order once an assets reach a price. Stop limit order, an order to execute limit order once an asset reaches a price. Trailing stop order, set the stop price at a fixed amount below the market with an attached trailing amount. Take profit order, like for a stop loss order, you directly input the trigger price when creating a take profit order. If you are buying, the order will get sent when the market price drops below your trigger price. If you are selling, the order will get sent when the market price exceeds below your trigger price. 6. Market trades. Market trades shows all the trades that occurred within the assets market by traders across FTX's user base. 7. Check balance, open orders, trigger orders and trade history. Similar to other trading interfaces, you can check for any open orders, orders that are currently live and not executed, order history, orders that have been executed, as well as a summary of all the assets you currently own. What is unique to FTX is that you can also see your trigger orders. When a trigger order becomes triggered, it's possible for the order it sends to fail. The account may not have enough margin, price bands during sharp market moves might prevent market orders from matching against other orders, etc. In these cases, it may be preferable to retry sending the triggered order until their overall triggered order size is filled. Retried triggers will only be sent when the standard conditions around mark price and trigger price are met. You can see the result of each trigger on the trigger order history page by clicking the plus button on any trigger order set to retry to view.
There are many different crypto exchanges you can use, but only a handful of these are big enough to be listed on a stock exchange. One such exchange, Coinbase, is incredibly popular and is the largest in the US by trading volume. Founded in 2012, Coinbase has grown exponentially over the past decade and today offers products for both retail and institutional investors who want to put their money in crypto. But, if you're new to crypto trading, it's crucial to understand how to use Coinbase, its merits and demerits, and other vital points. How to get started with Coinbase. Coinbase is easy to set up but requires some information, including your legal name, home address, date of birth, last 4 digits of your social security number, and how you plan to use Coinbase. That's to comply with federal regulations. Here's how to begin. Download the Coinbase app for iPhone or Android. Open Coinbase and tap Get Started. Create an account with your email address and tap Start. Verify your email by tapping a link that was sent to your inbox. Enter your phone number and verify it by entering a code that was texted to you. Enter in your name, date of birth, and last 4 digits of your social security number. Note, you need to be at least 18 years old to use it. Enter your address. Choose how you will use Coinbase, either for investing, online payments, online purchases, or for investing in other exchanges. Confirm your source of income. Tap Let's Go. Now you'll start to link your bank account. Search for your bank. Log into your bank account with the username and password you normally use for banking. Select the bank account you want to link to Coinbase for purchases and tap Continue. That's it. You'll be dropped off on the main page of Coinbase now, where you can get started buying cryptocurrencies. How to buy cryptocurrencies on Coinbase. Now I'll show you how to buy some cryptocurrency. Let's purchase a fraction of a Bitcoin since that's the one you've probably heard of most. But this process is the same for all the currencies offered on the Coinbase platform. Tap Get Started on the top of the screen. You'll see a list of crypto assets you can buy. Select Bitcoin at the top. Choose how much you want to purchase. Reminder, you can buy fractions of cryptocurrency, so you can spend $5 on roughly 0.0006204 Bitcoin at its $64,635 price, or however much you want. The minimum order is $1.99. Tap Preview Buy. Review the order. Note Coinbase takes a percentage of the purchase, so if you're aiming to buy $5, it'll take about a 99-cent cut of the transaction. If you're buying $500 worth of Bitcoin, it'll charge about $7.34. Choose Buy Now. That's it. You can trade your Bitcoin instantly after you buy it, but you'll need to wait 8 days before you send it to someone. How to sell cryptocurrencies on Coinbase. Now let's say you're ready to sell your crypto assets. Here's what you do. Tap the blue circle icon on the main page. It shows 2 arrows. Choose Sell. Select the asset you want to sell. In this case, we'll pick Bitcoin. Choose how much you want to sell, or tap the Max button on the left of the page to sell it all. Review the page. Again, note the Coinbase fee. Tap Sell Now. How to withdraw your money from Coinbase. Maybe you're ready to take some profits off the table. You've sold your crypto, but now you want to move it back to your bank account. Note that if you've just purchased or sold funds, you may still have a withdrawal-based limit. Something I just purchased and sold this morning for the sake of this guide can't be sold for 8 days, for example. Once that time has passed, here's what you do. From the home page, tap your portfolio balance on the top of the screen. Choose the US dollar option. If you've sold some crypto, this should have a value other than $0. Tap Withdraw. Choose Preview Withdraw. Select your bank account. The transfer takes 1 to 3 business days. You can also opt to add a debit card for an instant transfer for a small fee. That's it. Now you've learned how to set up Coinbase and use it to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, and even withdraw to your bank when you want to. Is it a good time to invest in cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrencies have been in the headlines after a number recently hit record price highs. In November, Bitcoin hit a record high of above $68,000, more than double what the price had been in July. Meanwhile, Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market value after Bitcoin, also hit a new high in November at around $4,800. Altcoins, cryptocurrencies that aren't Bitcoin, are grabbing attention too. Dogecoin surged 8,000% in the first few months of 2021 and now sits around 27 cents, compared to 1 cent at the beginning of the year. Another meme coin, Shiba Inu coin, skyrocketed recently, gaining 700% in October alone. Of course, as an investor, all this should give you pause. Your goal should always be to buy low and sell high. And while no one knows where cryptocurrency prices are headed next, recent record prices make it that much harder for investors who buy in today to reap future profits. Is it safe to buy and sell cryptocurrency with Coinbase? To buy and sell cryptocurrency, you'll need a digital wallet where you'll hold your currency between transactions. Unlike a regular wallet, a digital wallet has an added concern: is the wallet safe from hackers? There are a few options, each with their own security measures. If you don't want to worry about keeping cryptocurrency separate from the Coinbase app, you can use what is called a hosted wallet. This wallet is held for you by a third party, in this case, Coinbase, which means you don't have to worry about forgetting your password. Doesn't mean losing all your cryptocurrency. That's a real concern. Some crypto investors have lost millions of dollars because they can't remember how to get into their wallets. Cryptocurrency isn't insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, or the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, like your bank account or investment portfolio. But Coinbase says that it insures all digital currency against theft from a security breach or hack, employee theft or fraudulent transfer, but not unauthorized access to your account. The company also says that it keeps 98% or more of its customers' digital currency offline. A dollar balance of up to $250,000 is FDIC insured for both Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. If you want full control of your cryptocurrency without a third party's involvement, you can opt for what's called a non-custodial wallet. While you don't have to worry about the third party being hacked, you do have to remember your password yourself, or risk losing your cryptocurrency. But having more control means you can participate in more advanced activities, like yield farming, which allows the cryptocurrency owner to lend out their assets to generate higher returns. Coinbase customers can choose to download the Coinbase wallet, separate from the app, which is a non-custodial wallet. If you want security from even your computer being hacked, you can go for a cold wallet, also called a hardware wallet, which is a physical device like a USB that's not connected to the internet. They can be pricey. The Ledger Nano X is $119 and the Trezor Model T is $195 as of this writing. You can also check out Money's list of the best crypto wallets. Spoiler: Coinbase Wallet is listed as the best for beginners. Coinbase offers customer support via email, phone, or live messenger. The Coinbase website also has a designated help center if you're looking for quick answers to any questions. If you think your account has been hacked, or there's suspicious activity, there is an automated phone system you can call to lock your account. Coinbase Learning Center. Coinbase is one of crypto's most widely used and trusted crypto exchanges. One aspect of their onboarding is the opportunity to earn crypto by learning about individual cryptocurrencies through their course videos. You get paid in the relevant cryptocurrency and can have it deposited directly into your Coinbase wallet, at which point you can transfer or do whatever you want with it. Their video courses cover a variety of cryptocurrencies including Clover Finance, The Graph, Barnbridge, AMP, Stellar Lumens, Compound, Balancer, Ampleforth Governance Token, and many more.
Kraken is a fully functional crypto exchange with low fees and a good mix of coins. It's also one of the only US crypto exchanges to provide advanced trading tools like margin. It says it aims to be the best and most secure. To see if that's true and to find out if it's the best exchange and trading platform for you, read our full Kraken Exchange review. Full Kraken Exchange review. This cryptocurrency exchange is a good fit for experienced investors who will make the most of margin trading and other advanced features. Pros: security, range of cryptocurrencies, advanced trading features, reasonable fees. Cons: not for beginners, limited starter account, slow account funding, questionable customer service, no tax support. Top perks: Kraken is a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that's been around for almost a decade. It's a solid option with a lot going for it. Security. Founded in 2011 and launched in 2013, Kraken is one of the largest and oldest exchanges in the world. And it's had its eyes on security from day one. The fact that it hasn't been hacked in 8 years speaks for itself. The US-based exchange has consistently led the industry in security. It boasts both physical security and financial stability. Plus, it pushes users towards healthy security habits. Range of cryptocurrencies. Kraken has almost 60 coins and deals with 7 fiat currencies. That's not the biggest selection of digital currency you'll find, but it's comparable to some of the best cryptocurrency exchanges. And it's a step up from many brokers that only offer a handful of well-known coins. Kraken also boasts a high liquidity, meaning it is easier to buy and sell at a fair price. Kraken works using currency pairs and not all of its currencies are exchangeable for the others. What is a currency pair? Imagine you're taking a vacation in Germany and you need to exchange your dollars for euros. That's a currency pair. If you're using dollars to buy Bitcoin or Bitcoin to buy Ethereum, you're always swapping one currency for another. Advanced trading features. Kraken is one of the few exchanges that offers margin, stop orders, and crypto short sales. It also has something called a dark pool where high-volume investors can trade anonymously. Kraken lets you leverage a currency pair by up to 5x and allows eligible pro clients to access up to $500,000 in margin. Before you get too excited, margin trading can be risky. You're essentially borrowing money to invest. Let's say you invest $100 in Ethereum. You decide to use that 5x margin. If Ethereum goes up in value, you'll multiply your gains by 5. But if Ethereum loses value, your losses will also be multiplied. Cryptocurrencies are already a risky investment, and using margin exponentially increases that risk. Reasonable fees. Kraken's fees are on par with several exchanges. It isn't the cheapest, but its maker-taker fees are lower than, say, Coinbase. Trading fees differ from exchange to exchange and often depend on how much you trade each month. Look at how much it will cost you to deposit and withdraw money as well as what you'll pay for each transaction. What could be improved? Not for beginner investors. Kraken does have some good educational resources for investors who are new to cryptocurrency trading. This includes individual currency guides and a series of explainer videos. However, with all of its advanced features, the site is designed for more experienced traders. With so many coins and so much functionality, beginning investors will find it difficult to adjust. Limited starter account. Kraken offers 3 account levels, which we'll cover in more detail further on: starter, intermediate, and pro. The starter account, which is the only one you can get without submitting a photo ID and other documents, barely lets you do anything. That may be frustrating as a user. But it's also part of what makes Kraken secure and allows it to offer those advanced features. Slow account funding. You can deposit US dollars using Fedwire, but only once you've provided ID and verified your account. If you live in the US, credit, and debit cards can't be used as a deposit method. And it can take 1 to 5 business days to process fiat currency deposits. However, you only need a starter account to deposit coins, and it will take about 5 minutes. Kraken has resources available to help you transfer funds from other exchanges. Customer service. This crypto exchange boasts 24/7 customer service and has an easy-to-navigate help center. That said, it only scores 1.9 out of 5 on Trustpilot. It's always difficult to know for sure how trustworthy those reviews are, but you want to trust the people you're transferring your hard-earned cash to. Several reviews complain that their money didn't arrive in their account and that the support desk hadn't responded. Alternatives to consider. If you want to dip your toe into the crypto waters, Robinhood offers a limited number of cryptocurrencies but also lets you buy stocks and ETFs with low fees. If you want to pay by debit card, Coinbase is a popular exchange with a user-friendly interface. It lets you transfer cash from your bank account electronically or pay using a debit card. How Kraken works. Kraken is pure crypto exchange. It doesn't try to offer savings accounts or loans. And it doesn't even have a wallet. It's a centralized exchange that you can access online. Its mobile app is not yet available in the US. As we've discussed, qualified users can access margin, stop orders, and crypto short sales on Kraken. It also lets you stake coins to earn interest if you leave that currency untouched in your account. To set up a basic account, you'll need to provide information, such as your name, date of birth, and address. You need to be over 18 and live in a supported area, anywhere in the US apart from Washington and New York. It has 3 levels of verification. Starter, this basic account lets you deposit, exchange, and withdraw cryptocurrencies, but you can't do much more. You can't withdraw or deposit fiat currencies, so you'll need to upgrade if you want to move dollars into crypto. Intermediate, to upgrade to an intermediate or pro account, you'll need to provide a valid photo ID, such as a passport or driver's license, proof of residence, such as a utility bill, and your social security number or ITIN. Once you've upgraded, you'll be able to deposit fiat and trade on Kraken futures. Pro. The Pro level unlocks higher account limits and also gives access to the anonymous, dark trading pool and over-the-counter desk. The desk facilitates large orders without causing price disruption on the public exchange. To fund your Kraken account, you'll need to make a transfer, see the fee structure below. You cannot use your debit or credit card to buy cryptocurrencies with Kraken in the US. Funding can take up to 5 days to process. Fees overview. Like many exchanges, Kraken uses a maker-taker fee structure. It gives reductions to those with large trading volumes. Fees for cryptocurrency deposits and withdrawals depend on the currency. For example, you'd pay 0.00015 BTC to withdraw Bitcoin with a minimum of 0.00050 BTC. Cryptocurrency selection. Kraken has a strong mix of cryptocurrencies available. There are almost 60 coins on its list for US traders, including top coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. It has 3 stable coins and works with 7 different fiat currencies. Is your cryptocurrency safe with Kraken? Security is one of Kraken's founding principles. It hasn't been hacked since it launched in 2013 and is widely recognized as one of the most secure cryptocurrency exchanges. That said, cryptocurrency security is a hotly debated topic and any exchange can be susceptible to hacks. Here's more on Kraken's approach to security. Coin storage. Kraken says 95% of its crypto assets are kept in cold storage, essentially offline and protected against hacks. It also boasts full reserves and has undertaken an external proof of reserves audit. Platform and information security. Its physical servers are kept under 24/7 surveillance. Sensitive information is encrypted at both the system and data level. Security testing. Ongoing penetration tests protect Kraken's systems, both via its internal team and bug bounty program. The bug bounty programs incentivize ethical hackers to find and report bugs. User security features and education. Kraken's website points out that no amount of security on our end can make up for inadequate personal security. It has 2-factor authentication, secure emails, and security locks. More than that, it supplements its security by teaching users how to protect their accounts. Kraken is right for you if you're an experienced trader who wants to use advanced features such as margin. You're a crypto investor who's ready to level up with more coins and more features.
Experienced cryptocurrency traders can get the most out of Kucoin's advanced features, low fees, and wide range of coins. However, Kucoin is not licensed to operate in the US, and that drags on our rating. Read our full Kucoin review to find out if you should open an account. Full Kucoin review. This cryptocurrency exchange is a good fit for experienced non-US cryptocurrency traders who want access to more coins and advanced features. Pros: low fees, strong user base, wide range of coins, earn interest on your crypto, advanced trading features, good customer service. Cons: not licensed in the US, limited payment methods, not for new traders, limited educational resources. Alternatives to consider. If you want a secure exchange with no withdrawal fees, Gemini stands out for its strong security features and dedication to regulation. Best of all, you can make 10 fee-free crypto withdrawals each month, and you won't pay to deposit money via a wire transfer. If you want a wide range of currencies from a licensed exchange, US regulations mean that residents don't have access to as many cryptocurrencies. However, Coinbase has a good selection, which makes it one of the most popular US exchanges. Top perks. Kucoin has a lot to offer investors, including the following: low fees. Kucoin's trading fees are among the lowest we know of. You don't pay any monthly account fees, and the withdrawal fees are in line with other exchanges. It is free to deposit crypto, but you will pay to deposit fiat, traditional money like US dollars. The fee depends on how you transfer cash and what third-party app you use. Strong user base. Kucoin claims 1 in 4 crypto holders worldwide use its service. The big advantage to such a strong customer base is that it adds liquidity to the market. You're more likely to be able to make the trades you want because there are more people trading. It also means you can likely join an active community of traders who speak your language. Wide range of coins. Kucoin has a much broader selection of cryptocurrencies than you'll get at many exchanges or brokerages. If you want to branch out into less popular coins, Kucoin is worth a look. It also has a spotlight section that promotes new currencies so people can get in early. Just be aware that new or lesser-known coins carry more risk than mainstream ones. Earn interest on your crypto. The Kucoin Earn service pays interest on your cryptocurrencies in 2 ways. You can stake coins through PoolX, a Kucoin-backed company, or you can loan out your crypto and get paid the interest. Staking is a bit like earning stock dividends. Certain cryptocurrencies use staked coins to help validate the network and keep it secure. You earn rewards if you agree to tie up your coins for a set amount of time. The interest you'll earn by loaning out your crypto is more than you'd get with a traditional savings account, though it varies by coin and demand. Kucoin says you can earn 8% to 12% on average. This money finances Kucoin's margin trading. The company says lenders will always be repaid in full, either from the borrower's collateral or from a Kucoin margin insurance fund. That said, you won't have the same protections you'll get with a normal bank, so make sure you're comfortable with the additional risk. Advanced features. Kucoin has a lot of extra features, though you'll need to think carefully about whether you want to use them. For example, margin trading allows you to leverage your position, which is essentially borrowing money to buy more crypto. Only very experienced traders should use leverage because it makes cryptocurrency an already risky investment even riskier. Kucoin also allows you to use trading bots through its mobile app. Trading bots can automatically buy and sell your cryptocurrencies so you don't have to be online all the time to follow the market. However, crypto bots are not as developed as robo-advisors. Some have technical glitches, for example. Plus, it's not always clear how they're investing your money, and you need to understand the cryptocurrency trading strategies they use. If you're buying for the long term, bots don't add a lot to the mix. What could be improved? Not licensed in the US. A customer support representative said the exchange only provides services for countries listed on its Know Your Customer (KYC) page, which does not include the US. KYC involves filling out personal information and uploading your photo ID to help authorities combat money laundering. The United States has strict regulations for cryptocurrency exchanges, and Kucoin is not licensed to operate in the States. If you live in the US, you may be tempted to use Kucoin without completing the KYC verification. You'd have restrictions on how much you could withdraw and how much leverage you could access. There are a couple of risks here. First, if the US cracks down on people accessing unlicensed exchanges, your assets might get frozen. Second, Kucoin doesn't offer the same support to unverified accounts in the case of hacking, fraud, or theft. So proceed with caution if you're a US-based user. Since there are a number of excellent cryptocurrency exchanges that are licensed in the US, it makes sense to check them out before signing up with Kucoin. Limited payment methods. Kucoin does let you buy cryptocurrency with fiat money, but you'll need to do it through a third-party app. You can pay by credit or debit card, Apple Pay, and Google Pay, but you can't deposit money by bank transfer. And the fees can be steep. Also, you'll need to immediately buy a set amount of one currency. For example, you could buy $200 worth of Tether, USDT, a stablecoin that's pegged to the dollar. You'd then be able to use Tether to buy other currencies. You couldn't simply deposit the $200 and wait for the right time to invest it. Other exchanges let you deposit money and then choose how and when you want to spend it. Not for new traders. If you're new to cryptocurrency, Kucoin's site is not easy to use. The fast buy function didn't work at all when I tried it, and the peer-to-peer trading options were only open to people who'd completed the KYC verification process. That said, I did get quick responses from the live support chat. Kucoin has some educational resources, but I'd like to see a lot more, especially given the number of coins you can buy. There is some information available on new coins, but not a lot, so you'll need to do your research elsewhere. How Kucoin works. Kucoin lets you buy, sell, and store a wide range of cryptocurrencies. It has a web interface as well as a popular mobile cryptocurrency app. You can buy Kucoin's native token, Cassius, to reduce fees and earn rewards. The account verification process is optional, so people can trade crypto with just an email address. However, as discussed above, if you want to use its advanced features, you'll need to verify your account. And Americans can't do this due to US crypto regulations. Kucoin offers both custodial and non-custodial services. That means you can either store your crypto assets directly on the Kucoin exchange, or connect a third-party wallet directly and trade from there. This is a great option for those who prefer to keep control of their crypto. Kucoin also offers some less common features, such as trading bots, leverage, and margin. Fees overview. You can reduce the fees you pay on Kucoin by trading more or holding at least 1,000 KCS. The maker/taker fee starts at 0.1% and gets lower as you level up. Your fees will be reduced further if you opt to pay in KCS. Even the highest fee of 0.1% is lower than you'd get at many major exchanges. However, you also need to factor in the deposit and withdrawal fees. Kucoin says it is free to make deposits. That's true if you're depositing crypto, but you'll need to pay to put fiat, traditional, money into your account. Kucoin has connected with several third-party services, and it calculates the best deal depending on how much you deposit and how you want to pay. For example, to convert US dollars into USDT, the fees can be anything from 1% to 3% by card. The fee with Google Pay was around $15 for deposits of less than $500 at the time of this writing. Withdrawal fees vary by cryptocurrency. Here's what you'll pay to withdraw some of the popular coins. Cryptocurrency selection. Kucoin has over 750 currency pairs, 2 coins that are measured against one another, and
Gate.io supports just about the biggest selection of crypto assets of any cryptocurrency exchange, currently more than 1,200 coins. Unfortunately, due to recent changes in the regulatory environment in the US mean that Gate.io is no longer providing any services at all to users in the US and Canada. Pros: huge selection of available cryptocurrencies, though some may be unavailable based on location. Discounts and privileges for holders of Gate token, the platform's native cryptocurrency. Cons: no services are available to residents of the US and Canada. Potentially overwhelming to new investors. Subject to hack in 2019. Overview of Gate.io. Gate.io is a crypto-to-crypto exchange platform that started in 2013 as Beter.com before rebranding to Gate.io in 2017. The exchange was originally based in China, but has since moved to the Cayman Islands. An important aspect of Gate.io is that it is an unregulated exchange. This means there is no oversight for the platform, and this increases risks of using it. Gate.io offers an extensive selection of cryptocurrencies for trading, with competitive trading fees. It also specializes in smaller market cap assets that many regulated exchanges will not list. Continue reading Finder's Gate.io review to learn more about features, fees, and what it's like to use the exchange. If this is your first exchange, Gate.io is likely too complicated for you and is unregulated. There is no way to deposit fiat without using a third-party service, so you must already own crypto to trade on the platform. You are likely better served with a regulated exchange that accepts fiat deposits unless there is a specific asset on Gate.io you want. If you're switching exchanges, Gate.io has an enormous number of trading pairs and many passive income earning features. Withdrawals can be expensive, but if there is a small cap asset you are interested in, it is likely on Gate. Verdict: is Gate.io any good? If you are looking to trade cryptos across a wide range of trading pairs, with competitive fees, Gate.io might be a good choice. Its focus on listing smaller market cap assets draws in users who are interested in those coins and tokens. This is because they are often slow to be listed on other centralized exchanges, giving Gate.io an advantage. Gate.io is able to list whatever cryptos it wishes because it is unregulated. This means there is no protection for the consumer. It may be better to avoid the exchange if that statement is concerning. That being said, there are many ways to earn passive income on the platform, and it is fairly easy to navigate if you are familiar with advanced trading interfaces. What to know about Gate.io? Gate.io has one of the biggest catalogs of crypto coins and tokens on the market, and has competitive trading fees. Trading fees can be further reduced by holding its native Gate token, GT. There are a variety of features that allow users to earn passive income. The platform also offers NFTs. Traders should note that Gate.io is not a regulated exchange. This is why there are no fiat currency deposits accepted directly on the site. Though there are tons of supported digital assets, and deposits of crypto are free, withdrawal fees can often be high. Users looking to buy small market cap coins may find Gate.io to be a good platform. For anyone trading large cap coins, they would likely be better served with another exchange that is actually regulated. What is it like to use Gate.io? Gate.io is a slightly more complex exchange compared to others on the market. There is a lot for traders to take in on the interface. It is more likely suited to experienced traders, but the platform has a lot to offer all users. Getting started /Gate.io KYC. Gate.io requires all users to complete KYC before being able to access any of the features on the exchange. Once information is submitted, you must wait for approval. Rating terminal. Gate.io offers an extensive trading terminal. There is a lot to look at for new users. Experienced traders will likely enjoy the options. Gate.io promotions. There are frequent promotions on Gate.io. This includes basic referrals, along with special trading activities. There are one-time tasks and bonus campaigns available. Earning interface. Gate.io offers a variety of options for earning passive income. They can all be accessed at the Finance tab. There are lending, mining, and other interest-bearing options. Gate.io customer service. Gate.io offers a live chat option for customer service. The responses are made by a bot unless you click to contact a human. It does not take long for a person to answer, though the answers are often unhelpful according to reviews on Trustpilot. Does Gate.io have good customer support? Gate.io offers little in the way of customer support. There is a live chat option that initially directs you to the FAQ. Failing to find an answer in there, you can talk to a bot. If that doesn't solve the issue, then users can choose to speak to a human who responds fairly quickly, under 2 minutes when requested by Finder. The only other contact is by email. Both methods of customer service have been rated poorly by sites such as Trustpilot. Poor reviews indicate a lack of helpful answers, or really slow response times. Users are advised to do due diligence before registering for any exchange, including Gate.io. List of services on Gate.io. Gate.io offers a wide selection of services for its users. This includes the ability to earn passive income on the platform, copy trading, NFTs, and promotions. Earning on Gate.io. Gate.io provides traders with multiple earning services. There is a basic investment plan as an option. There are also mining options for dual asset liquidity pools, single asset vault lending, cloud mining, and more. HODL and Earn is a service that allows users to earn an APR of 0.9 to 100% depending on assets. There are minimum deposit amounts for this service, along with lockups. Copy trading on Gate.io. Apart from the spot and futures markets available on Gate.io, it has recently introduced copy trading. This allows traders to copy other users' trading strategies. In exchange for letting their strategies be copied, the trader gets a 5% piece of the profit you get from their strategy. Gate.io NFT trading. Gate.io has a devoted NFT section called NFT Magic Box. Here users can find initial NFT offerings, INOs, along with an NFT market. Traders can buy new NFT projects using INO, or buy and sell existing NFTs on the marketplace. The top NFT projects on Gate.io are also listed. Promotions on Gate.io. Gate.io runs lots of promotions for its users. These range from basic tasks like verifying your account, to more complicated tasks like participating in futures trading. There is also a daily attendance check-in that rewards users for logging in and checking in on the reward page. Rewards are paid out in USDT, which can be used to participate in special activities. The Refer a Friend program pays out a 40% commission every time your referral completes a trade. Trust rating. Gate.io is an unregulated exchange. This means that there is no authority overseeing its actions. Despite this, the exchange has strong security, and has only been hacked once in its history. Gate.io has no insurance policy for users. Past hacks. There have been no hacks of Gate.io under its current iteration. However, it started as Beater.com, which was hacked successfully in February 2015. During the hack, 7,170 BTC was stolen from the platform. The company announced that affected users would be repaid in batches using the exchange's future profits in conjunction with a BTC loan they received. There have been no hacking incidents since. Security audits. There have been no audits